students, in this video we are going to solve x times 3 minus x divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 3 minus x divided by x plus 1. This is equals to 2, and here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully in left hand side. If this x goes inside the bracket, then 3x minus x square divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 3 minus x divided by x plus 1, and this is equals to 2. Now 3 times x minus x square divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by here x plus 3 minus x divided by x plus 1, and this is equals to 2. And here if we multiplied by x plus 1 and divide by x plus 1, then 3x minus x square divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by x is multiplied by x square. X is multiplied by x, then x square plus, and x is multiplied by 1, then x divided by x plus 1 plus 3 minus x divided by x plus 1, and this is equals to 2. Here 3x minus x square divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by here this is like fraction, and here common denominator is x plus 1 and sum of the numerator is x square plus x plus 3 minus x, and this is equals to 2. This plus x and this x is minus is cancel out. Then in left hand side 3x minus x square divided by x plus 1 is multiplied by x square plus 3 divided by x plus 1, and this is equals to 2. Here 3x minus x square is multiplied by x cube plus 3. Here x square plus 3 and divide by x plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 1, then here x plus 1 whole square, this is equals to 2. In left hand side 3x minus x square is multiplied by x square plus 3, here x square plus 3, and this is equals to here 2 is multiplied by x plus 1. 2 is multiplied by x plus 1 whole square. Now this 3x is multiplied by x square plus 3, and this minus x square is multiplied by x square plus 3, and this is equals to 2 times x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2 times x. Now 3x is multiplied by x square, then 3x cube plus 3x is multiplied by plus 3, then 9x minus x square is multiplied by x square, then minus x power 4 minus x square is multiplied by plus 3, then minus 3x square, and this is equals to 3 is multiplied x square, then here 2x square, and this 2 is multiplied by 1, then plus 2, and this 2 is multiplied by plus 2x, then we get plus 4x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then this negative x power 4, here positive x power 4, this negative 3 times x square, here plus 3 times x square, this plus 3x cube is minus 3x cube, plus 9 times x is minus 9x, and here plus 2x square plus 2 plus 4x, and this is equals to 0. X power 4 and here minus x power 3, 3x square, and here plus 2x square is 5x square, minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x, and plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here this is biquadratic equation. Here first we will find out 1 0 of this biquadratic polynomial. Here if we substitute x is equals to 1, then 1 power 4 minus 3, and x is replaced by 1 power 3 plus 5, and x is replaced by 1 power 2 minus 5, and x is replaced by 1 plus 2. 1 power 4 is 1 minus 1 power 3 is 1. 1 is multiplied by 3, then minus 3 plus here 5 minus 5 plus 2. Then plus 5 and minus 5 is cancelled out. 1 plus 2 is 3, and this is minus 3. This is equals to 0. It means x is equals to 1 is a solution. If x is equals to 1 is a solution, it means x minus 1 is a factor of this biquadratic equation. Now if this biquadratic equation is divided by x minus 1, then we get remainder 0. Now x power 4 minus 3x power 3 and plus 5x square and minus 5x plus 2 is divided by x minus 1. Here x cube is multiplied by x, then x power 4. X cube is multiplied by minus 1, then minus x cube. Minus plus. This is cancelled out, and here minus 3x cube plus x cube is minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus 2. And here if we take minus 2x square, minus 2x square is multiplied by x, then here minus 2x power 3, and minus 2x square is multiplied by minus 1, then plus 2x power 2, then here plus and here minus, then minus 2x cube and this is plus 2x cube is cancelled out, and 5x square minus 2x square is 3x square minus 5x plus 2, and here if we take plus 3x and plus 3x is multiplied by x, then 3x square, and 3x is multiplied by minus 1, then here minus 3x, then minus and here plus, then this plus 3x square and minus 3x square is cancelled out, and here minus 2x plus 2. Here if we take minus 2 is multiplied by x, then minus 2x, and minus 2 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 2, then here plus and here minus, then this expression and this expression is cancelled out, then here 0. So it means here factor of this biquadratic is x minus 1 is multiplied by this cubic x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 1 this is equals to 0, or x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2 this is equals to 0. Here value of x is 1. Now factorize this cubic polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square and here 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here if we substitute x is equals to 1, then 1 cube minus 2, x is replaced by 1 square plus 3x is replaced by 1 minus 2. Then 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square is 1, 1 is multiplied by 2, then we get 2 plus 3 and here minus 2. 1 plus 3 is 4 and minus 2 is minus 4. This is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 1 is also solution of this cubic. So it means x minus 1 is factor of this cubic polynomial. Now divide by this polynomial is x minus 1, then we get remainder is 0. So here x minus 1 and here x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Here x square is multiplied by x, then x cube, and x square is multiplied by minus 1, then minus x square, then here minus and here plus, then this plus x cube and minus x cube is cancel out, then here minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square plus 3x minus 2, and here if we take minus x is multiplied by x, then here minus x square, and minus x is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus x, here plus and minus. This minus x square and this plus x square is cancel out. 3x minus x is 2x minus 2. Now if we take here 2, then this 2 is multiplied by x, then 2 times x, and this 2 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get minus 2. Then here minus and here plus, then this plus 2 times x and this minus 2 times x is cancel out, and this minus 2 and this plus 2 is cancel out, and here 0. Now factor of this cubic is x minus 1 is multiplied by this quadratic x square minus x plus 2, x square minus x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 1 this is equals to 0, and here x square minus x plus 2 this is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 1, and here this is quadratic equation. We will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 1 and value of c is 2, and quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus b is replaced by minus 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by minus 1, then here minus 1 square minus 4, a is replaced by 1 and b is replaced by 2, and divide by 2 times a is replaced by 1. Then value of x is minus is multiplied by this minus 1, then we get plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8, then here 8, and divide by 2, then x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of minus 7 divided by 2, and we know that square root of minus 7 is same as minus 1 into 7, and this is same as minus 1 into square root of 7, and we know that square root of minus 1 is iota, and here is square root of 7. Then x is equals to 1 plus minus this square root of minus 7 is replaced by square root of 7 times iota and divide by 2. Here possible values of x is equals to 1, and second value of x is 1 if we take positive sign, and here is square root of 7 times I divided by 2, and third value of x is here 1 if we take negative sign, then here is square root of 7 iota divided by 2. Here only 3 values of x. Students, this is our final answer. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.